So this is lumpia. What do you add? Again, cabbage, beans, pork, and I don't know what else.
Beans.
Beans, what?
Beans.
Beans and cabbage, pork, vinegar,
Bell paper. What the?
bell pepper, and okay, and you fry that with a pan, right?
No.
What?
I know. After.
No, like you put everything
Yes.
with oil and fry it in the pan.
Yes. With vegetables.
Okay, and also you added some oyster sauce, right? All right. Yep. And this is a wrap.
What?
Okay, whatever is that. So I think it's made with rice flour.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's it. So this is my first vlog from my YouTube, and this is my beautiful wifey from Philippines. I'm Indian guy. I'm not ready to show my face now.
What?
I'm so shy because I'm so ugly. So, yep. Hope you guys like my video. Okay, let's see.
Like.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Say it. Subscribe. Say it.
Love you guys.
Her name is Catherine. Catherine what? Catherine what? Catherine Borbor?
Jordan.
No, your full name. Catherine Borbor.
Babor.
Babor, yeah.
Borbor.
Babor Jordan.
Borbor is like a bulbul. That's my bulbul? No.
Okay. What? Cotton boots? For what?
Maha, I need it. Not the.
Okay.
Yan lang. Habang tayo gumagawa ng lumpia.